The most overpowered plant for gardening, Moringa. The most overpowered plant for your garden. If you could grow only one plant that gives you food, medicine, beauty, and rapid growth, which one would it be? In this video, we'll reveal the most overpowered plant you can grow in your home garden. A plant that's easy to maintain, grows fast, survives extreme conditions, and gives back more than any other. Let's talk about the plant that every gardener, beginner or expert, should be growing, the Moringa, also known as the drumstick tree or miracle tree. Before we get into the details, let's understand what makes a plant truly overpowered in gardening. An OP plant should grow quickly, survive in tough weather, require low maintenance, and offer multiple benefits, including food, health, and utility. And Moringa ticks all those boxes. Moringa oleifera is native to South Asia and Africa, but it can be grown in almost any warm climate. It's called the miracle tree for good reason. It can grow up to 15 feet in just 1 year, even in dry, poor soils. It's drought-resistant, heat-tolerant, and thrives without fertilizer. What makes it even more powerful is that almost every part of the tree is useful. The leaves are highly nutritious, packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals. You can eat them raw, cooked, or dried and powdered. The seed pods, often called drumsticks, are also edible and commonly used in curries and stews. Even the flowers can be used in teas and salads. Nutritionally, Moringa is a powerhouse. The leaves contain more vitamin C than oranges, more calcium than milk, more iron than spinach, and more potassium than bananas. It's an immune booster, energy enhancer, and even supports blood sugar and cholesterol control. Beyond food, Moringa has strong medicinal uses. It contains antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and antibacterial properties. It's used in traditional remedies for skin problems, digestion, and joint pain. And the benefits don't stop there. Moringa seeds can be crushed and used to purify water. Its leaves can be used as organic fertilizer. The oil extracted from the seeds is excellent for skin and hair care. Even animals benefit from it. Chickens, goats, and rabbits love eating Moringa leaves. Growing Moringa is easy. You can start from seeds or cuttings. Choose a sunny spot with well-drained soil. It prefers deep watering but doesn't need frequent watering. Once established, it can survive dry spells. Prune it regularly to encourage bushier growth and easier harvesting. If space is limited, Moringa can also be grown in large containers on rooftops or balconies. Within a few months, you can start harvesting leaves. The more you cut, the faster it grows back. It's a plant that rewards care with more abundance. What makes Moringa truly overpowered is its ability to do so many things at once. It's a tree, a vegetable, a medicine cabinet, a soil improver, and even a water cleaner. It works for kitchen gardens, rooftop gardens, and full-scale farms. In one plant, you get nutrition, health, soil benefits, and sustainability. That's why Moringa deserves the title of the most OP plant for gardening. If you haven't tried growing it yet, start now. It's one of the easiest and most rewarding plants you'll ever grow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening wisdom. Let us know in the comments what plant you think deserves the OP title. Happy gardening!